Chefs around the world, why are you overcooking me? It's painful for me, and honestly, your customers are not getting the best out of me. When you boil me to mush, you destroy my nutrients, like vitamin C and sulforaphane, the very things that make me a superfood. My texture turns soggy, my color fades, and my flavor, gone. Steam me gently, roast me with love, and I'll give you crunch, color, and powerful health benefits. So please respect Miss Broccoli. I'm not just a side dish. I'm a dish queen.
Relax, Miss Broccoli. Nobody says you are a side dish. Unfortunately, most people prefer Mr. Watermelon. Juicy, refreshing, and the heart of summer. I'm over 90% water, keeping you hydrated and your skin glowing from the inside out. My antioxidants, like lycopene, help protect your heart and may even support healthy aging. I'm rich in vitamin C for immunity and vitamin A for bright, healthy eyes. Naturally sweet and low in calories, I'm the perfect guilt-free treat on hot days. Enjoy me in slices, salads, or smoothies. I'll cool you down and lift you up. With me, every bite is a burst of joy, hydration, and summer sunshine.
Stop arguing, fellow fruit and veg. And where is the love, people? Just like and subscribe to Health UN. By the way, I'm Miss Strawberry, small, sweet, and shaped like a heart, because I'm all about love. I'm rich in vitamin C to brighten your skin and strengthen your immune system. My antioxidants protect your heart, your cells, and your natural glow. I'm low in calories but high in fiber, keeping your digestion happy and your waistline smiling.
I'll subscribe, Miss Strawberry. I'm Mr. Banana, smooth, sweet, and always ready to peel out some good vibes. I'm packed with potassium to keep your heart healthy. My natural carbs give you quick, steady energy. I'm the perfect pre-workout buddy. I'm full of fiber to keep your digestion happy.
Thank you, people. You already know I'm good for your health and keeps the doctor away, but what if I told you you could buy any Apple products on Amazon, like Apple iPhones, MacBooks, AirPods, using the link in the comments section. That way, you support this baby channel grow without paying a single extra cent. I already save you money by keeping the doctor away, so click that link when you're ready to buy anything from Amazon, okay?